Today we will learn Linux command. Don't worry, it is very simple. I will show you 5 basic commands. Let's start. Our first command is pwd. It means print working directory. It tells you where am I right now. See, I am inside the home folder. Second command is ls. It means list. I want to see my files. Look, these are my files and folders. Now let's go inside a folder. We use cd. It means change directory. Now I am inside the desktop. If you want to go back, just type cd ... Now let's create a new folder. The command is mkdir. It means make directory. Let's check if it is created. Type ls. See, the folder new project is here. Okay, my screen is full of text. It looks messy. To clean it, use the command clear. Done. The screen is clean now.